My outlook on life is live for today and enjoy tomorrow. When the doctor said to me that I had bowel cancer, I had my operation and I was quietly recovering, and as soon as I was able to get up and about, I looked forward to coming back to bingo. I took my mind off, well, the pain and that, and it helped me through it, and it still helped me through it. To be honest, I never used to like bingo much, but my wife started coming to Castle Bingo in Merthyr with her two friends on a Sunday, and one particular day she said to me, "Why don't you come along to Castle Bingo? It's lovely over there. It's totally different than the old clubs, you know, when they play bingo." I said, go on then. So I come along and I was quite impressed, you know, and with the food and the surroundings, and I've got hooked on it. I'm a bit of a bingo maniac. I'm worse than my wife now. I used to be a postman when I left school. Spent 28 years there. I was very happy. It was a job I always wanted to do. And I got to know everybody. I could say the name of every person from the beginning around to the end. I think it's a bit like that in bingo, you know. It's a friendly place where you can meet people. We encourage people, you know, say, you will win today now. And we say, good luck. And some of them do have it. I'll never forget that day. It was a Monday, and I was going along well with my ticket on the National, and I said to my wife, I said, "I only want two." And I told her what they were. Next thing I shouted, and when I looked at the television to see how many numbers are gone, it's 46 numbers. I thought, well, I'm in with a chance here, even if it's only the regional. But lo and behold, when the results came through at 3 o'clock, the caller said I'd won the both, and I was thrilled. I could not believe it. I never thought it would happen to me, but there we are. It can happen to anybody.